sounds like that's going to be sticking around for at least the rest of this week.
Hey, absolutely. I mean, we're just getting started. I used the word earlier, Janice. We're in the infancy stage of this cold outbreak, but at least it's February. At least it's February. There's only 28 days of the month. And then we're into meteorological spring. I've got a graphic touching on that in just a moment. Right now, yes, a few very light flurries fluttering on down. More than just light flurries fluttering on down the last few days, as you know. Our average snow through February 7th, what we should have received by this point in time, 54.1 inches. But this graphic getting a turbo boost the last few evenings, and now our actual snowfall in GR up to 30.6. Can we catch that 54.1 inches? I'm going to say no, emphatically. But you know what? Maybe I'll be wrong. I don't think we will, though. Last year through February 7th, 37.4 inches. How about the record from 1952? A massive 100.2 inches. Now, take a look at this graphic. This is something to look forward to. Janice, 3 weeks until meteorological spring begins. That'll be on March 1st. The clocks move forward. How about this? Do you remember this? We moved these back. The date used to be in early April. Now it's in mid-March. The clocks are going to get pushed forward on March 14th. That's just 35 days away, and the sunset time on that date, March 14th, will be 7:48. So these days are getting longer. Eventually, it's going to materialize in some warmer afternoons, just not quite in the short term. Look at this. Tomorrow, 17 degrees, which is actually several up from today's 11 or 12 degree max temp. I didn't see the official from the airport, but our actual high for this February 7th was 15 degrees, but that came around midnight. So hours behind us. The daytime high today was 11 or 12. Tomorrow we'll call it 17. There will be flurries around, even some snow showers as we progress further into the afternoon, and snow showers all day long along the lakeshore. That's where accumulations can be a little bit greater. More on that to come. Here's your current temperatures. How about 2 in Ionia? Perhaps a few weak spots in the clouds there. Near the lakeshore, you gain several degrees, so more like 12 and 13 for Muskegon and Holland, respectively. That is nothing, though, compared to what you're seeing off to the northwest in Minnesota and North Dakota. Readings between about -10 and -20, and then it goes to the -40s in northern Alberta. So, yeah, I mean, it just gets really, really cold in Canada, and when that reservoir is that expansive and it's that far south, I mean, all it takes is a couple systems to go by, as we've had recently, for the cold air to dump into North America. We're looking at some light snow showers along the lakeshore right now, picking up in intensity a little bit in the overnight, and some of these models hinting at a meso low. That's a tiny circulation out over the waters that can get going sometimes for various reasons, but there is some indication that could take place mid to late morning tomorrow, and accumulations can be greater right along the lakeshore. We got to watch this. Could throw down a 2, 3, maybe 4-inch snow by early on Tuesday morning. So we'll keep tabs on that with Candace Monticelli and Chief Meteorologist Kevin Craig tomorrow morning. I think inland, though, Grand Rapids through tomorrow night into early Tuesday, more like an inch and a half. Fox 17 7-day planner. Janice, no changes here. It's going to be cold, not necessarily, totally dangerously cold, but cold enough, upper teens to around 20. And some snow showers start to come back later in the week, Thursday into Friday.
All right, well, get ready for that, Anthony. Thank you. So to come, parents